Hi guys, let us go through the top 10 IPM colleges in India. IPM, as we all know, stands for Integrated Program in Management. So it is a 5-year course which is having 3 years of bachelor's and the final 2 years would be MBA. It is an amazing option for the students who have just graduated from their 12th standard and are inclined towards business management. Let's go through the top 10. Okay, the first in this list is IIM Indore, which is one of the old IIMs established in the year 1996, and it boasts an average placement of 26 lakhs almost. Okay, the best part is the top recruiters in this college, which is having BCG, Bain, TAS. Okay, these are the companies which go only to a handful colleges in India, and IIM Indore is one of those where these companies go. Okay, let's continue. The second in line is IIFT Kakinada, an amazing place in Andhra Pradesh. It was established in the year 2022. So that's why we are not having their average placements. But one thing is for sure, they would be having joint placements with IIFT Delhi and IIFT Kolkata. And these two colleges are boasting amazing numbers as the average placement. So this can be a good option for us. Let us continue. The third is IIM Ranchi, which is a new IIM which was established in the year 2009, and it is having an average placement of 18.69 lakhs. Okay, it's in Ranchi, so high chance of you meeting Mahendra Singh Dhoni as well. Let's continue. The fourth in line is IIM Rohtak, which is also a new IIM established in the year 2009. Rohtak, so it's in Haryana. Okay, and this college also has almost the same placement as Ranchi, 19.27 lakhs. Okay, and fifth in line we have IIM Jammu, which is a baby IIM because it was established after 2011, and it is having an average placement of 15.48 lakhs. The next in line at 6th position we have Tapmi Manipal, which is part of the Manipal institutions. It was established in the year 1980, so it is having a 45 years legacy, and the average placement it is having is around 14 lakhs. Let us continue. The next is IIM Bodh Gaya, which is a baby IIM in Bihar, established in the year 2015, and it is having an average placements of around 14 lakhs. The next in line is Nirma University in Ahmedabad, and it was established in the year 2003, and it is having an average placement of 11.22 lakhs. The last two, which is Nikmar Pune and Nalsar Hyderabad, these are in niche specialization. Okay, so let's go one by one. First is Nikmar Pune, which is National Institute of Construction Management and Research, and it was established in the year 1983, so a big legacy they are having, and it is having a average placement of 8.13 lakhs. Okay, and finally we have Nalsar Hyderabad, which is National Institute of Legal Studies and Research, and it was established in the year 1998, and it is having an average placement of 7.48 lakhs. So these are our top 10 colleges from IPM colleges in India. Okay, and the other thing is, as we can see, the exams accepted are different for different colleges. So you have to select the colleges which you want to aim for and then give the exams accordingly, and the dates for these exams are different, and the forms are as well different. So decide accordingly, and the form deadlines are reaching, so try filling out these forms as soon as possible. Okay, that's it for the day guys. Thank you.